Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this wrinkle-free filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. To use this filter, just tap on the screen. Okay, as you can see, no wrinkle. Okay, so to get this effect on Instagram, visit the creator profile. Jason is the creator of this effect. You can follow him to unlock this filter to your Instagram camera tray. So check in his filter gallery. This is the filter, wrinkle-free. Tap on it. Okay, you will see a preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can try to try the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect on Instagram. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.